Welcome everyone. Welcome Year 6. Welcome Year 6 very humble parents. We are extremely nervous. I can tell you that from now. I am, and so are they. They worked really hard on this, and they're really proud of what they've done, and they should be. So I'm not going to do a long introduction. Just thank you very much for coming and for supporting us. I know I've been very annoying with all the questions and everything that we've been asking for, and you have delivered. So thank you very much for that. Guys, I know you're going to be an open audience. Your assemblies were brilliant. We really enjoyed them. We hope we enjoy ours as well, okay?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, parents and fellow students. Welcome to our Year 6P Annual Class Assembly, celebrating the vibrant and meaningful Mexican tradition, Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead.
Yes, finally a day for us for be scary and chase people around.
Oh yeah, baby, let's be scary big time. Surely that's what Day of the Dead is all about.
Dude, that's not scary. That's quite embarrassing, to be honest.
Actually, Dia de los Muertos is not meant to be scary. It's all about celebrating the lives of our loved ones who had passed away.
That's right. It's a time for laughter, music, and honoring our loved ones. And of course, a little bit of humor too. Let's dive right into our celebration.
You know, Dia de los Muertos might not be about Halloween-style scares, but we do have some playful traditions like sugar skulls.
These sweet treats are offered to the spirits of our loved ones, and sometimes we even place our own names on them, like a sweet version of our name tags.
And speaking of sweet treats, pan de muerto is a special bread baked for this occasion.
It's so delicious that even the ghost can resist.
The most iconic symbol of Dia de los Muertos is the marigold flower, or cempasúchil in Spanish, a plant native to Mexico.
These bright orange flowers are believed to guide the spirits of our loved ones back to the world of the living during this special time.
But you know what's else is bright and colorful?
Papel picado is another tradition decoration. It's like the party version of the snowflakes.
We also create ofrendas or altars to remember our loved ones. Let's take a closer look. We place photographs of our relatives who have passed away in the ofrenda. It's like inviting them back for a family reunion.
And we leave offerings of their favorite things, like food, drinks, and even toys for the children or pets.
You know, even in the afterlife, they need their toys. Dia de los Muertos is a celebration all about life. And it's a time when we remember the good times that we shared with our loved ones.
The candlelight represents hope and love, helping guide the spirits on their journey.
It's important to emphasize Dia de los Muertos. It's a beautiful reminder that our loved ones may be gone, but they are never forgotten.
Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again. Remember me.
Now, can someone tell me the history or origins of Dia de los Muertos? I can. The Day of the Dead was originated several thousand years ago with the Aztec, Toltec, and other Nauja people who considered the mourning the dead is respectable.
For this pre-Hispanic culture, death was another phase of life's long continuum. The dead were still members of the community, kept alive in memory and spirit, and during Dia de los Muertos, they temporarily returned to earth.
However, the celebration went on for a whole month, not just a couple of days, and was presided by the goddess of death, Mictlantecuhtli.
The modern version combines elements from the indigenous cultures and Catholicism brought by the Spanish.
The holiday takes place over 2 days, November 1st and 2nd. November 1st is known as Dia de los Inocentes, or Day of the Innocents, dedicated to deceased children. And November 2nd is Dia de los Muertos, where we honor deceased adults, right?
Yes, family is at the heart of Day of the Dead. It's a time to come together and remember those that have passed away.
We believe that the spirits of our loved ones return during this time, so we create a welcome environment for them.
Families often visit cemeteries to clean and decorate the graves of their relatives.
It's a time for reunions, storytelling, and sharing memories, keeping alive the connection with our ancestors.
Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, buenas noches. buenas tardes, buenas noches, señoritas y señores. To be here with you tonight, bring me joy, que alegría. Pues music is my language and the world es mi familia. Pues music is my language and the world is mi familia. Pues music is my language and the world es mi familia. What color is the sky? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You tell me that it's red. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You say, put them on your head. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm guessing. I'll count it as a blessing that I'm only un poco loco. The loco that you make me is just un poco crazy. The sense that you're making, the liberty you're taking, leaves my cabeza shaking. They're just un poco loco. Un poquitito loco.
Dia de los Muertos is also known for its vibrant and artistic expressions.
Face painting and calavera makeup is a fun and creative way to participate in the celebration.
We can't forget about the delicious food associated with Dia de los Muertos. Families prepare special dishes like tamales, moles, and of course, pan de muerto.
Thank you everyone for joining us in this extended celebration of Dia de los Muertos. May this tradition continue to remind us of the importance of family, love, and remembering those who have come before us.
And remember, Dia de los Muertos might be about the dead, but it's definitely alive with love, laughter, and joy.
Say that I'm crazy or call me a fool. But last night it seemed that I dreamed about you. When I opened my mouth, what came out was a song, and you knew every word, and we all sang along to a melody played on the strings of our souls, and a rhythm that rattled us down to the bone. Our love for each other will live on forever. In every beat of my proud corazón, our love for each other will live on forever. In every beat of my proud corazón. Ay, mi familia, oiga mi gente, canten al coro, let it be known, our love for each other will live on forever. In every beat of my proud corazón. Ay, mi familia, oiga mi gente.